Hello, everybody. My name is Jocelyn Herrera-Hernandez, and for today's exercise, I will be presenting augmented and virtual reality in United Kingdom. So, what is AR/VR? So, AR stands for augmented reality, which it basically adds computer images to the real world, and VR stands for virtual reality, and it replaces the real world with a fake one. While AR or augmented reality puts digital pictures and information on top of what you see around you, virtual reality builds a whole new digital world that one can look around. Um, VR basically is like examples of VR contain like VR headsets where it puts you in another virtual reality um, game basically. It makes you see different things. Whereas AR basically is like for marketing purposes, many companies use it so that they can see what certain items will look on them, like glasses or makeup or clothes, and things like that. So, who is using AR and VR? So, it is being used basically by everyone around the world. Basically, not only is it used by industries like manufacturing companies, retailers, and healthcare providers, but it's also used by people like who play Pokemon and use VR headsets. Basically, as previously mentioned, is used by many consumers, as previously mentioned, who buy clothes and want to see what it looks like on them, or buys makeup and want to make sure that they are getting the right shade and everything like that. In the UK, however, it is used in many industries like healthcare, training, and enterprise sectors that use the augmented and virtual reality instead. Still, consumers use it, but not as much as here in the US. It is mainly used. In the UK, it is mostly used in industries like that. So where are they using AR? So it is in VR. So it is basically, again, it is something that is used globally, used by everybody. But if we're getting more specific, it is used in the UK. It is one of the top countries that does use AR. It is mainly centered in cities like London, Great Manchester, and a key academic hubs such as Cambridge and Oxford. It is like as previously mentioned, it is also used in industries such as finance, enterprise, digital technology, and engineering. Um, so why is the UK using AR or virtual and augmented reality? So it is basically just to primarily boost consumer engagement, improve workplace training, and streamline manufacturing. Like as previously mentioned, why it is used, how consumers use it. Um, and again, AR and VR can be very beneficial for companies and can help consumers with said purchases. It can help them uh, engage more and are more likely to make that purchase because they will actually know that the purchase will meet their needs and it'll fit the way that they envision it. So when are they using AR? It is basically used basically right now, every single minute as we speak, especially if people are using like are playing Pokemon or have those VR headsets are constantly being used. So it is used daily across gaming, healthcare, and engineering for immersive training, remote collaboration, and real-time data visualization as well. So, how can AR/VR help with SDG goals or SD goals? And it can actually help in so many ways. For instance, it can assist engineers with building inspections, maintenance, and infrastructure repairs. Um, it can also help in classrooms. It can help create immersive virtual classrooms where students can explore historical sites, science laboratories, and ecosystems. It can also it can also help them experience like real life. Like if they're in a classroom, they can just put on a headset and envision that they are actually sitting in a classroom and learning said things. So here are my two truths and one lie, and I hope that you guys are able to detect which one are the truths and which one is the lie. So AR adds digital objects or information to the real world. AR is used to retail and is used in retail to let customers virtually try on clothes, glasses, or makeup, and VR can only be used for video games. And these are my resources that I use throughout the presentation. I hope this gave a more clear and more insightful view on what augmented and virtual reality is and how it is used in UK and how it can help with sustainable development goals. Thank you so much for listening.